and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from Fly by Jing, and this is their chili crisp, their Sichuan chili crisp noodle. And it doesn't say on here, but I believe this is 6 minutes? 7 minutes? I believe it's 6 minutes. It does say it's 6 minutes. Alright. Crack. You open, and it doesn't want to be cracked open, folks. That's okay. I have a pair of scissors at the ready. So, and I will let you watch it boil for 6 minutes. Isn't that fun for you? The noodle block and 6 minutes on the clock, and you are in the driver's seat to watch a bowl of noodles, or a pot of noodles rather, a boil. So, how is your day going? Mine is almost nearing completion of the 3 reviews I had to do today. First one, I started cooking at 12:07, it's 12:33, and I'm on the 3rd one, so my goal is almost complete. The only thing that got screwed up is I wanted to use egg on 2 of the 3. That's why there was going to be a 3rd one, because I've got these eggs marinating, and I really want them to be like, you know, this is the day to finish it up. And I guess I could put 2 eggs with this, but I would be feeling rather disgusting to do such a thing, so maybe tomorrow I'll use one. But I mean, man, come on. Other than that, pretty good day. Did a whole bunch of walking around and that such. Has a dried chives seasoning packet. This, which is very chunky, which I'm guessing is chili crisp. This, which is not, which could be soy sauce or black vinegar. And this, which is thick, I guess we'll see. I do like this style of noodle a lot. It says it's made in Sichuan, but it really totally screams Taiwanese dry noodle, but, you know, whatever. But yeah, as you can see, it's got that lovely rippled edge. I made the other one that I reviewed the other day, the sweet and spicy variety, the sweet and spicy flavored of their noodle the other day, and it was really good, but I found it to be way better because I had it recreationally, boiling it for 5 minutes, because it's got a little bit more backbone. I enjoy the tooth, the Q, the elasticity. 6 minutes is just like too soft. No. Come on. Give it a little bit of oomph. A little cha-cha-cha. Chi-chi-cha-cha. Oh, crap. But I'm holding a beverage. Ugh. And I am going to use some of their special product, which, if you haven't seen it yet, I have a large article that I did up all about chili crisp noodle, or no, just chili crisp itself. So this, yeah, here it is. This is the stuff that they have, and it's pretty good. I'm really into trying all sorts of chili crisps right now, especially, and that one's really quite good. So I know why I keep forgetting to use the eggs, although it's not just forgetting, it just really wouldn't have worked with the last one I did or the one before that. Eggs don't really go in udon, so much that I've seen, and they definitely don't go in. You don't put a gummy, jammy egg in like fried rice. That's kind of odd. I mean, it would work. It wouldn't taste horrible, but I mean, it would. It's just not what you do. Anyway. Boil, boil, boil. But I think I'm gonna make it. I got 8 minutes until the alarm, my phone alarm goes off and says, hey, it's time for her lunch. Make her lunch. But she didn't want to have lunch today, so that kind of gives me a little bit of extra wiggle room. It's a bath. It's like every other night the kids get showers, and this is a shower night. But we've been making an effort to go out as often as possible. Go out walking every night. Last night didn't work out because we had to go to Costco. But yeah, we're gonna go tonight. Boy howdy! And she's like, I'm gonna make the kids lunch for school for tomorrow tonight. And then we can go out for a walk before shower time. So I'm like, cool, Brad, thank you. That's fun. And I do enjoy fun, so yeah, I think we're gonna do just fine here. Rad. Consider I walked in the door like 35 minutes ago. No, 40 minutes ago. 45 minutes ago? I don't know. Yeah. Can't we just have another season of The Boys come out? That's what I'm waiting for. Another season of this new Star Trek series. There's so many nice things on TV and they're just not out right now. How about another season of The Mandalorian, for God's sake? Feels like we haven't had any Mando for a while. I guess there's some kind of product called Mando. What was it? From Pits to Privates. It's like they run the commercial on it all the time. From Pits to Privates, Mando will take care of that smell. Like, really? Isn't he like taking care of Grogu? He doesn't really care about your pits and your privates. It's just kind of a weird thing. Okay. So let's get up close and personal with this pot of noodles. As you can see, those are noodles. Alright, so let's get this sucker going. It's party time, folks. Must be the chili crisp because there's a lot of bits. But what they mention a lot is not that it contains a whole bunch of chili crisp, but it's like made with chili crisp. So the chili crisp, if you just put it in there, I don't know how it would do in a sachet form, if you could really even get it all out. There's some chive. Here's some other. Almost smells like there's kind of an element of, what do you call that stuff? Black vinegar in there. Or maybe there's more chili crisp in here. I really don't know. And then a final sachet. This may be black vinegar or soy. I'm going to go with its black vinegar. I'll know that once my honker invades this. Whoa. Yeah, black vinegar. So black vinegar is kind of nice in things because it adds a little bit of extra pungency, sourness, bite, as it were. And then it goes on the noodle, intermixes. So there's been a lot of interest in Sichuan peppercorn. They use, what are these called? Tribute peppercorns. Which makes me think of Tenacious D. There we go. Alright, so let's put this thing on. Oh, wait. Let's take a bite. So I'm at 42 after, according to this, which probably means it's like 40 after. So here is our noodle. Cheers. Wow. Uh-oh. Okay, what's going on? Because that clock is slow. Alright, we gotta get this out the dough right freaking now. Because she's gonna come out of the magical room and she's gonna say, "It's time, I gotta go make the kids their lunch for tomorrow so I don't have to make it tonight." And I'm gonna be like, "But I'm almost done with my show." And she's gonna be like, "Well, hurry it up, man." Little bits have a little bit of chew to them, which is nice. I'm gonna put on some chashu because there's nothing wrong with a little pork. I guess it depends who you ask, but I like the pork. Alright. And then we've got some egg. The egg needs to be used, folks. Depending on the look of the egg, I may be lucky and be able to use the other egg tomorrow. It depends on how dark this thing looks. Yeah, I think we'll be able to pull it off. Look at that. I'm talking about dark outside and going onto the inside, because if it goes for too long, the inside, the white part, will become rather discolored, and then it starts looking like, what's wrong with that egg, dude? So I don't like to go that route. And we got some scallion. Pretty good on that. And we're gonna do some sesame seed. And all the scallion I want to put on there. I made a lot of scallion. Alright, let's add a little bit more scallion. Can you tell I'm like moving at the speed of light here-ish? I'm gonna move this over just slightly. And then I'm going to grab the Holy of Holies, the spoon of the King of England. Okay. And we're going to use some of this chili crisp in here. It's nice. It's got a little bit of chewiness to the bits that are in, that comes with. And this one has a little bit of crispiness too. Very rich, gotta say. Of all the chili crisps I've tried recently, I would say that's probably the richest one. But there, yeah. Rotato, go. Do your stuff. Did it. It's not out yet. So, I'm done. I'm going to go take pretty pictures and go do a bunch of other stuff. Thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, do your part, do your thing. Smile a bunch. This has been Hobbs the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.